Hello everyone, get the size of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap band, drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair, the back split them into two equal sections and have the left section drop into the right loop to the twisted band and make it come down. With the entire section of the hair at the right, split them into three equal sections, and you know what to do. Have it braided until the bottom and secure the end with the wrap band. Fold the braid to half and move it to the top left and have it placed by dropping little hairpin, decorate with a lovely hairpin. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap band, drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair, along with the tail, we have how it's a ponytail, create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it, and braid it from that point and attach the braid to one of the loop of the second wrap band we have. Then stuff it inside the middle one, making it as a bun, and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin, decorate with a lovely hairpin on top of that. Get the size of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap band, and drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. Split the tail into two, making it completely tightened. And with the remaining section of the hair, along with the tail, we have how it is a ponytail and how a wrap band touch the middle part of the tail and bend the tail over to the top and stuff it to the last loop of the wrap band and move the entire tail to the top and have it in place by dropping beautiful hair clutcher. Make a bunch with the entire top section of the hair and create a gap onto it using your finger. Drop the tail into it, make it come down, creating a loop. With the remaining section of the hair at the back, split it into two equal sections and have the left section drop into the loop we have, and do the same for the right section. With the remaining tail we have, split them into three equal parts and have it braided, and roll the braid and make it to the top and have it hidden by moving the hair over that and have it in place by dropping little hairpin, decorate with a lovely hair clutcher. Go for a ponytail and move it to the top and have it in place by dropping beautiful hair cluster at the bottom of it. With the remaining tail we have a wrap band, touch the middle part of the tail, bend the tail down, stuff it to the last loop of the wrap band, and also stuff it inside the middle bun, making it completely hidden, and move the lump downwards by having a big black hairpin to it. Then stretch the bun for more volume, apply some hair wax, and comb your hair. Go for a ponytail and hold it on top and have a big black hairpin attach the bottom of the ponytail and bring the tail back and comb it completely. Have a wrap band touch the middle part of the tail and bend the tail over, stuff it to the last loop of the wrap band and also stuff it inside the middle part, making it completely held. Then have the whole bun in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin through the wrap band we have. Once again, go for a ponytail and with the last loop of the wrap band, create a lump at the bottom and create a gap behind your ponytail using your finger. Drop the entire lump into it and also the excess part of the tail as well. Then make it completely hidden by combing your hair onto that. Then to decorate your hairstyle even more further, drop in your favorite hair clutcher on top of the lump we created. Insert a very long bun maker behind your ponytail horizontally, and with the excess tip we have it twisted along with the ponytail we have, making it completely hidden. Then after doing that, make it swirl in a clockwise direction, making it as a bun, and continue twisting it until you form a smooth bun. With the excess tip we have it combined behind the bun we have, and have the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to the downwards. Create a ponytail and use a simple bun maker and straighten it all the way to the bottom and roll it and make it to the top outwards and bend it down, forming a circle, and hide the excess of bun maker by extending the hair over that. And to decorate your bun even more further, drop in your favorite hair band around the bun we have. If you want, you can also pinch out the hair on the bun to make it into a loopy design. Drop your entire hair into the loop of a bun maker and twist it on both of its ends, making the loop tighten, and straighten it down all the way to the bottom and roll it and make it to the top and have the hair roll in place by winding the excess tip underneath the roll we have, then moving the pretty tip to its position at the down. So there are so much of upcoming hairstyles in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you everyone for watching this video.